Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another Printful unboxing. Super excited about these products. You guys know that Printful is my #1 print-on-demand site fulfillment company that I do recommend. I love their products. I love the variety of products. And I love how many different ways that you can create products on their website as well. So today I'll be unboxing 2 products that I got from Printful. And if you are new here, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And if this video is helpful, please share it or tell someone about my channel. So I got 2 embroidery products today. So I really love Printful's embroidery. I do have like 2 pairs of, no, I have like 3 or 4 shirts, probably 5 shirts that are embroidery. And I have a pair of joggers that I wear a lot that is embroidery as well. Have embroidery hats. And I think that's all of the embroidery products that I've had so far. So in this order, I have I believe I got a t-shirt and another jogger. They both are it's either sport gray or heather gray, the products that I got. And make sure you look down on the comment section and hit that Printful affiliate link to sign up for Printful. If you're still on the fence, I promise you'll love it. So. All right, so as you know, most of Printful stuff comes in like a white poly mailer, and it has the P on there, okay? So, where's my little, looking for my little thing, because like I said, I forgot what I got. So, I have the unisex, I got a long sleeve tee. So, I have a unisex long sleeve tee. I got the Bella Canvas 3501 in athletic heather. And then I got the unisex joggers. It's the Jerseys 975 MPR, and it's also in the color athletic heather. So this is how it comes. I just got my business logo on there because I like for myself to kind of wear my products. If I'm not wearing my products, I'm wearing something purple to kind of go on trend with my brand. And this is a long sleeve shirt. It is a large. This is the first time I've gotten a long sleeve embroidery product, and it's long sleeve. I did not get anything on the sleeves. It's just long sleeve. So I hope you guys can see that here. So here's the embroidery. Just making sure that's good. Here's the long sleeve. This is the type of sleeve it is. It has that cuff type thing at the bottom. Really soft. Really lightweight, not like a thick long sleeve shirt. I always like to show you guys what like the embroidery stuff looks like in the inside, just so you know what to expect. So here's that, the stitches and all of that. So really love this. Can't wait to wear it. So there's a long sleeve shirt. I'm gonna set that here. And then here are the joggers. Like I said, I just got, and with embroidery, you can do left chest, right chest, and then middle. And then with the joggers, I believe it's only right like thigh and left thigh. And that's the like dedicated areas for printing on the joggers. So here's the athletic gray joggers, and they do come with drawstrings. These are like a dark gray. The drawstrings are, and just to kind of give you guys an idea of the position of the embroidery, it is right here. So me standing up, I don't know if you can see that, it comes like right, it'll be right on my thigh depending on how I wear my pants. So like right on my thigh. And then the inside lining of the pockets kind of match with the strings. So really stretchy. Here's the bottom, so you guys can kind of see what the bottom legs look like there. And then I also show you the embroidery on the inside of the joggers. So that's the embroidery on the inside. So lining up your products is super important when it comes to like embroidery and things like that. So I just want to put these both here. They're both about the same size too. So I did really good while lining it up and sizing it for my products. And that almost looks like I'm going to prison, but I like to be comfy, and this also helps me to showcase my business if I'm out and about. And sometimes it's just chilly here, so this is just something I can throw on and be comfortable but still representing my brand while I'm out and about here in Texas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Printful unboxing. I did, like I said, I got embroidery products this time around. Make sure you look in the description box and click the Printful affiliate link so that you can sign up for Printful and start creating products for yourself. You can create an account through Shopify, or you can just go straight to their website. You have the option to create different stores within one Printful account. So that is a great option as well. And they have lots of different new products. I'm excited about testing more of the products. So just getting kind of used to not doing the same thing over and over again. But if there's any products on Printful, please let me know what you would like to see that you haven't seen possibly anybody purchase before, that you want to just see an unboxing of, just to see the quality, because I am interested in putting out more videos like this so you guys don't have to just continue to buy so many things. So I love shopping and what better way to do this than to unbox from some of the websites that you guys talk about, and then get my own products, and then be able to showcase and help you guys out in your print-on-demand business as well. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.